This bottlenose dolphin needs a whopping 16,000 calories a day. As much as we eat in a week. The fish he hunts are fast. They can easily give him the slip in these deep, narrow channels. And twice a day, when the tide goes out, hunting gets even tougher. As the watery world shrinks, razor-sharp oyster beds are revealed. They would shred his skin. He can't get to the fish here. It's a problem he shares with his pod. To get the food they need, they must use the low tide to their advantage. They search for a clear stretch of bank, away from the dangerous oyster beds. Once they've found the perfect spot, they begin to work together. They stir the water to move the fish into the open, and then surround them. Driving the fish towards the bank, they whip up a curtain of mud behind the shoal. The pod charge as a perfectly synchronized unit. They force their prey out of the water and follow them to hunt on land. And they'll do it until they've had their fill.